Today we have something super exciting for you. The top 7 best live wallpapers of 2024 that will absolutely blow your mind. Whether you're looking to spice up your desktop or give your phone a fresh new look, these live wallpapers are sure to impress. So let's get started. Starting off, our list at number 1, we have the stunning Galactic Vortex. This mesmerizing wallpaper features swirling galaxies and vibrant colors, perfect for space enthusiasts. At number 2, we have ocean waves. You can feel the calmness of the sea with gentle waves crashing on the shore right on your screen. At number 3, we have city lights. You can experience the bustling city nightlife with dynamic lighting effects and moving traffic. Coming in at number 4, we have Forest Dawn. Enjoy the serenity of a forest waking up with sun rays placing through the trees. And at number 5, we have a Fireworks Extravaganza. You can celebrate every day with a burst of colorful fireworks lighting up your screen. Moving on to number 6, we have Underwater Paradise. You can now dive into the deep ocean and explore vibrant coral reefs and swimming fish. And last but not least, we have Abstract Waves, a modern, minimalistic design with flowing abstract lines and shapes. And that's all there is to it. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.